Today we will start about the network engineer interview question and answer. That's for the basic interview question and answer for beginners. So let's start the part one. The first part and that what is the difference between a hub, a switch, and a router? First question when we ask anyone any interviewer, we know that what is a hub and switch and router. The hub is the basic networking device that broadcasts all the connected devices on the network. Its main case that's here we can see that this is hub, switch, and router. Hub is almost broadcast everything from here to there. And then the router is that router is just broadcast connecting with the different networks. If you have a different network, if there is a different network, it's connect different networks. Switch is based on the MAC address, so anything connected to a switch, it's a check the MAC address and then forward the traffic. Any request comes from the router to switch. Suppose one PC is connected here to router to switch, and it's check the destination MAC address. If MAC address is matching here, then it will packets go to this MAC, this PC. Otherwise, this packet will not go. And in hub, the packet will flow everywhere, and then a MAC address get, then it will go there. Router, as I told you, that router is connected to different networks. It's used for that. You can see that a more intelligent hub switch is a more intelligent device than hub, which operate layer 2. It's for data only. It's specific for the MAC address. I told you that it's based on the MAC address that needs reducing the networking traffic. Router is a device that connect different networks such as a local area network and wide area networks. It's operate layer 3 and responsible for the routing data packet for IP bits. However, outdated and influence however we are not using hub in the networks or in internal networks also to do broadcasting all data. I told you that everything the packet is come to the hub, it's broadcasting to every ports and every where it's broadcasting. So there we are not using. We are using switch as a L2 switch, L2, and then we are using a router. Now we are using a firewall also for that. The second question is what is LAN? LAN is virtual local area network. Suppose there is a virtual this is switch. As I told you that we are broadcasting. So what VLAN to? VLAN is a logical grouping of device within a network, regardless of their physical location. It is used for the segment of network into different broadcast domain, allowing for improved security, traffic management, and efficiency. So what VLAN doing? The VLAN is doing that. Suppose I have one switch and I want to segregate different network in the three parts. So marketing, engineer, and accounting. So I will create a VLAN 1, 2, and 3, and will traffic will go only in packet sent through internal. Then it will go here only. If I want to send traffic from one VLAN to another VLAN, we need to create an inter-VLAN routing. So VLAN help in the organized network by segregating traffic. So we have what we had to. It's logically we create one networks and we segregated the networks in different we can have VLAN accounting for another marketing as I show marketing and accounting. This is a three example I show that you can see that. So this is a VLAN means virtual local area network. Now next question is what is different between layer 2 and layer 3 switches. So here I can see the example. First we can see that what is layer 2 switch and what is layer 3 switch. A layer 2 switch operates at the data link layer on the OSI model and forward data based on the MAC address. It is typically used for the local area network. So most probably layer 2 switch is only used for the local area network. Its traffic flow based on the MAC address, just forwarded traffic here to there. Just select a MAC address, destination MAC address and go from here to internal network. Most probably it is used for the internal network. Now layer 3 switches operate at a network layer, can perform routing function, its forward data. Can perform routing function, it forward data based on the MAC address and layer 2 and the IP address also. In layer this is the layer 3 switch. Layer 2 switch only used for the internal network. If we want to send data from one network to another network, we can use the IP address. Based on the IP address, we can forward the data. So it's like a router. It's working as a router. So layer 2 switches and layer 3 switches. This is the difference between them. Let's see the explanation. Layer 2 switches are used for the connect devices within the same network subnet within the layered, and while layer 3 switches can route traffic between the different sockets, layer 3 switches